Welcome to Florida Statements. I'm Ryan Cedergren. Bowling has been a part of FSU since 1964. Since then, the bowling team has won championships both locally and nationally. Today, we're joined with Cade Rogers, the president of the bowling club at FSU. Cade, welcome in.
Thank you.
So if I know nothing about the bowling club, tell me a little bit about what you'd want to know.
Yeah, so we compete both locally and also across mostly the Southeast. We have kind of two sides to our club. We have both recreation and as well competitive. So we have a team that you try out for, but we also welcome everybody, all skill levels, to come in and bowl in our center. We offer lots of memberships and stuff like that.
So if I'm just starting out in bowling, I can join and I don't have to compete against anyone. I can just kind of get better that way.
Absolutely. We have practices throughout the week. Just kind of ways to hang out with other people who enjoy bowling. It's a good way to save some money also if you are like to go a lot. You can pay the dues, and then that way you can just kind of bowl whenever you want for free.
So speaking of dues, how much is it to join? Do I have to pay for travel if you're part of the team, all of that?
Yeah, so we do have, we are very inclusive, so no matter what, you can bowl. So we're very accommodating. However, we do have to pay $150 per semester to be on the team. That's our base dues, fees, tryout fees as well, that. But we also have an extra $150 per month that we do travel. So it does get up there in price, but it is a lot of fun.
And then on top of that, do you have to pay for bowling balls, shoes, bags, stuff like that?
Yeah,
as well?
So we actually get a lot of discounts. We have a sponsorship with Track Bowling. So they have we get cheaper bowling balls. It's $90 landed, including, which they're usually $200, as well as free shipping or free drilling and stuff like that as well.
And so as a team, what tournaments have you guys been part of, especially in recent times?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've actually won our last 3 tournaments, so I'm really excited about that. But the last one was in Mobile, those last 2. Before that, we've bowled in Allentown, Pennsylvania this year. We bowled in Atlanta twice. We've been in Pensacola as well, and we are getting ready for our sectional tournament coming up here in March. It's going to be in Nashville, so super excited about that.
Awesome. So do I need to be an FSU student to join this? Can I be part of the community?
Yeah.
Who can get involved?
So anyone can get involved. Anybody can join just the club. However, to compete on the team, you must be an FSU student. Whether that's undergrad or graduate, you can be both. I'm a graduate student now. So you only need 6 credit hours to bowl. So as long as you have eligibility and you have the credit hours, you can absolutely join.
So for the team, who are you guys playing? Are you guys playing other schools around here? Are you playing other college programs? What does that look like?
Yeah, so we'll go to tournaments, and in those tournaments we bowl against other colleges. So we are a club team. However, we still bowl against all the D1 teams in the country. We face top 10 opponents every week. Some of our, the Southeast is a super rich area for bowling. So some of the top schools in the country, such as Weber International and Savannah College of Art and Design, have great programs. I believe that they're both top 10 at the moment. And yeah, it's a lot of fun getting to compete.
So where do you guys bowl? Do you guys bowl on campus at FSU? Do you guys bowl at some of the lanes around town? What does that look like?
Yeah, so for our practices, we're going to be at they're going to be on campus at the Union. So it's on the bottom floor of the Union. However, we also at our tournaments, we'll travel to like I said, there's other cities, and we also do have a home tournament as well.
That sounds great. So real quick before we go, how do you get involved with this?
You can just go to the Union. We are also at Involvement Fair. We're at the Sports Club Recruitment Night. But honestly, anybody can just come down to the Union and come and speak with either me or Jason Forbes is the director of the bowling alley on campus. So anybody really will be happy to talk to you.
Awesome. It sounds like a great activity to get involved in as an FSU student or just a member of the Tallahassee community. We've been talking with Cade Rogers about the bowling club at FSU. I'm Ryan Cedergren. Have a great day.